Hey there, design lovers. If your bedroom has been feeling a bit blah lately, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing quick, affordable, and chic decor hacks that take 5 minutes or less, but pack a major punch. Whether you're short on time or just need some fresh ideas. Bedrooms often become the most neglected part of the home when it comes to decor. Why? Because they're private, and we tend to prioritize shared spaces like living rooms or kitchens. But here's the problem. An uninspiring bedroom can affect your mood, sleep quality, and even productivity. Maybe your space feels cluttered, or the color palette is outdated. Maybe it just doesn't reflect you anymore. We all want a cozy, stylish, and personal retreat. Finding the time or money for a full redesign can feel overwhelming. That's where these 5-minute decor hacks come in. They're fast, fun, and best of all, completely doable no matter your budget or skill level. Hack number 1, the pillow switch-up swap. Out your old pillows or pillow covers with something new, textured, patterned, or bold in color. This instantly adds depth and interest to your bed. You can even mix different shapes and fabrics for a curated designer look. Hack number 2, add a statement throw blanket. Drape a textured or patterned throw blanket at the end of your bed or over a chair. It's cozy, chic, and brings in a pop of color or contrast without much effort. Hack number 3, rearrange your furniture. Yes, really. Shifting your bed just a few inches, swapping nightstands, or moving your mirror to catch more light can completely change the feel of the room. It costs nothing, but makes the space feel intentional. Hack number 4, layer your lighting. Most people rely on a single overhead light, which can feel harsh. Try layering light with a bedside lamp, string lights, or even LED strip lighting under your bed or behind the headboard for a soft ambient glow. Hack number 5, use wall art strategically. Hang one impactful piece of art above your bed or create a small gallery wall. If you're in a rental or don't want to commit to holes in the wall, use removable hooks or even lean framed pieces against the wall on a dresser. I'd love to hear your favorite 5-minute decor hacks. Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, hit that subscribe button, and check out our next video for more easy ways to refresh your home. See you next time, and happy decorating.